We all want that healthy glow, right? It's something we all strive for, but it can often feel elusive. The secret lies in our daily habits and how we start our mornings. It starts with how we treat ourselves. The first moments of the day set the tone for everything that follows. A mindful morning routine can make all the difference. No more rushing out the door. Instead, take the time to nourish your body and mind. A calm, unhurried morning can transform your entire day. Take a moment for yourself each morning. Whether it's through meditation, stretching, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea, these small acts of self-care are powerful. A little self-care goes a long way. Your skin reflects how you feel inside, so treat yourself with kindness and care. And what better way to start the day than with a delicious, nutritious smoothie? It's a simple yet effective way to fuel your body with the right nutrients. It's quick, it's easy, and it sets you up for success. A smoothie can be packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. That's where my Morning Glow Smoothie comes in. It's designed to give you that radiant glow from the inside out. It's packed with ingredients that are not only good for your taste buds, but amazing for your skin too. Think fresh fruits, leafy greens, and a touch of honey. Get ready to glow from the inside out. Embrace this morning ritual and watch how it transforms not just your skin but your entire day. This isn't your average smoothie. It's a powerhouse blend designed to nourish your skin from the inside out. We're using ingredients that are like superheroes for your skin. These superfoods are packed with essential nutrients that can help you achieve that radiant glow. Spinach. Don't worry, it won't taste like salad. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach is full of vitamins A and C. These vitamins are crucial for skin repair and rejuvenation, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. They're like magic for healthy, glowing skin. Incorporating spinach into your diet can make a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and appearance. Mango, this tropical treat, is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, giving your skin that youthful bounce. Plus, it tastes amazing. Mangoes are also rich in antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. Greek yogurt. This helps your gut, and a happy gut means happy skin. The probiotics in Greek yogurt balance your gut flora. It's packed with protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, the protein helps in repairing skin tissues and maintaining elasticity. Chia seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These little seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining the skin's barrier function. They're like a tall drink of water for your skin, keeping it hydrated and glowing. Chia seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. Almond milk. We're using almond milk for a creamy texture and a dose of vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative stress. It's like a shield for your skin, protecting it from damage. Almond milk also provides a smooth, creamy base for our superfood smoothie, making it delicious and nutritious. Ready to get blending? Let's dive into a delicious and nutritious smoothie recipe that will leave you feeling radiant and energized. This recipe is so easy, you can make it with your eyes closed, but maybe keep them open while you're handling the blender. Gather your ingredients and let's get started. You'll need 1 cup of fresh spinach. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a great base for our smoothie. Next, add half a cup of frozen mango chunks. Mango adds a natural sweetness and a tropical twist to our blend. Then include half a cup of Greek yogurt. This will give our smoothie a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Finally, add half a cup of almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that adds a subtle nutty flavor. Put all the ingredients in your blender. Make sure everything is in there before you start blending. Blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy. No chunks allowed. This should take about 1-2 minutes depending on your blender. Pour into your favorite glass and enjoy immediately. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast or a refreshing snack. Cheers to your health. This Morning Glow Smoothie isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. The spinach and mango provide a healthy dose of vitamins and antioxidants, which are essential for healthy skin. The chia seeds and Greek yogurt are packed with protein and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Plus, this smoothie is a great source of energy to kickstart your day. No more mid-morning slumps. You'll be glowing from the inside out. Want to switch things up? Feel free to customize. Add Add a handful of berries for extra antioxidants. A spoonful of nut butter adds healthy fats and makes it even creamier. The most important thing is finding what you enjoy. So go ahead, experiment in the kitchen, and find your perfect Morning Glow smoothie. Don't forget to share your creations on social media, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. Happy blending!